Oh, you startled me. I must have dozed off while I was dreaming up new toy ideas. Cookies. Oh, you caught me napping on the job.